Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will take you through the step-by-step process of reassembling your Thermomix TM31, focusing on essential tools and techniques. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Begin by laying out all the parts of the Thermomix TM31 in a clean space. This will help you keep track of everything as you assemble. Start with the base unit and check for any remaining screws. If you find any missing screws, don't worry, our service includes professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get the right parts without hassle. Next, take the motor and align it with the base. You will need to secure it using the Phillips screws. Make sure to tighten them firmly, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the unit. Now, let's focus on the internal cleaning of the Thermomix. Dust and residue can accumulate inside, affecting performance. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the internal components. This step is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your machine. If you're unsure about cleaning or need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Once the motor is secured and the internal parts are clean, it's time to attach the mixing bowl. Align it properly and lock it into place. Pay attention to the locking mechanism to ensure it clicks securely. If you find any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help. After the mixing bowl is in place, you can now attach the lid. Make sure it fits snugly and the safety lock functions correctly. This is vital for safe operation. If you don't have the tools, remember we provide professional services that can assist you right at home, no calls, no travel required. Finally, give your Thermomix TM31 a final check. Ensure all components are securely fastened, and clean any fingerprints or smudges from the exterior. This not only looks good but also helps in maintaining the appliance. In conclusion, reassembling your Thermomix TM31 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties or if you prefer professional help, our services include pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you have a hassle-free experience. You can also get a quote before any repairs, allowing you to make informed decisions about your appliance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.